Hello, guys. Now we're going to continue on the equation of a straight line. So when we talk about the equation of a straight line, it means we are looking at a line. If we have a line like this is line A, B, and we have the points maybe there and point A there. So it means we are told to find the equation of this line. So for us to find the equation of this line, first we have to find the gradient of this line AB. So when we find the gradient, we can use now the formula, which is y minus y1 is equal to m open bracket x minus x1. This is the formula for finding equation of a straight line or the equation of a given line. So under this, as we can see, we have the variables x, y, and m. This stand for the gradient, and this x and y stand, this x1 and y1 stand for the coordinates of the points given. So that is the formula that we use to find the equation of a line. So we are going to look at an example of finding the equation of a straight line. So if I have an example, say find the equation of line A, B, if A is equal to -2, -4, and B is equal to 0, -1. If these are the points, or if these are the coordinates that you have been given, and you are told to find the equation of line B. So it means we are just assuming the line. So we assume that this is line A, this is line AB. Then we have the points there at point A, which is -2, -4, and at B we have 0, -1. If these are the points and we are told to find the equation of line AB, first we have to find the gradient using these 2 points. So we'll say the gradient will be equal to, gradient is equal to y minus y, which is y2 minus y1, over x2 minus x1. Or the formula you said you can either start with x1 minus y1. It means there you are going to start with also x1 minus x2. So gradient will be equal to, we'll use the coordinates. So we'll say this is our y2. So our y2 is -1 minus our y1 is -4. So it will be -4 over our x2 is 0. So it will be 0 minus -2. So it will be -2. So this will be gradient, negative times negative is positive. So 1, we have -1 there. So it is -1 plus 4, it will be 3 over +3. Then there it will be 0 minus -2, it will be 2. So it means this is the gradient for line AB. So since now we know the gradient of line AB, we are going to use the formula, which is y minus y1 is equal to m open bracket x minus x1. This is the formula for finding the equation. So we are using those coordinates. So in this coordinate, we said this is our x1, y1, then x2, y2. So it means we are only using these 2 points because here we have x1 y1, x1. We have not indicated x2 and y2 there. We just have, these are the constant values of x and y, but we are interested in y1, x1, and the gradient. So we're going to say y minus, we know our y1 is -4, so it's -4 is equal to, we know our gradient, which is 2/3, so it will be 3 over 2 positive, open bracket, to our x1, which is negative 2. So it will be -2 like that then. So now we're going to solve, or say y negative multiplied by negative is positive 4 is equal to 3/2, open bracket, x plus 2. So at this point you can work out in two ways. Since this is a fraction, we can multiply throughout by the reciprocal of 3/2, which is 2/3, or you work out the way it is as a fraction, so it will be y, this will be 4 is equal to 3/2x, then there it is positive, so it will be plus 3 multiplied by 2, it will be 6/2. Now here we are going to multiply this by, to eliminate this 2, we are going to multiply by 2/1. So this is going to be 2y plus 8 is equal to 3x, because we are multiplying this fraction with that which is 3/2 multiplied by 2/1, which will give us 3x plus 6. So now it means we have eliminated the fraction. We can just solve for the value or the equation which will start with y. This will be 2y is equal to 3x plus 6, since here it's positive, minus 8, which will be 2y is equal to 3x minus, it will be positive 6 plus 8, which is -2. So it means this is an equation of line AB. Then this same equation can be written in form of, since it's 2y is equal to 3x minus 2, this can be written as y is equal to 3/2x minus 1, because we are dividing throughout by 2 to remain with y as the subject of the formula. So it means this is an equation, or that is an equation of line AB. So next time we'll combine the concept of equation, gradient of the slope and perpendicular lines in one equation to see how we can work out